Hey Tampa Bay Boaters, this is Steve Wacker at Thunder Marine. We have a brand new partnership coming up this year with Solace Boats. We have the brand new 41 CS in stock. We're going to be doing a debut on that boat on March 11th and 12th on a Friday and Saturday from 10 to 4. Please come out, check us out. We got a beautiful waterfront marina. We're going to have food, drink, entertainment, and a bunch of boats ready for delivery for summer. This is going to be an exclusive VIP event, so please click below to register here. Remember, it's not just a boat, it's a lifestyle.